Today I want to show you how to remove your shift knob on a GMC Acadia, Chevrolet Traverse, or a Buick Enclave. First, what you need to do is set the park brake. Make sure it's set. You see the park light on. Next, you want to just hold the button down without putting your foot on the brake. You don't want to start it. Everything should light up. And we're going to shift. You're going to shift to neutral. Shift to neutral where you'll be able to get to it better, because you may have to take two hands because it's pretty stout. But you got to. I'm sorry, I got a little ahead of myself, but you want to move the neutral because of that. But you want to remove this boot. You want to remove it from the chrome stays on the trim. But you stick a trim tool or something other in between the boot and that chrome, and you pop it up. Then you will take your shift knob and you will pull straight up, giving a little twist motion. It doesn't matter clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter. If you want to take it, like I said, sometimes you may have to take two hands, but I already have this one broke loose just to demonstrate how to remove it. But you just move it straight up. This one has a connector made onto it, so there's no connector to unplug. I want to point it out to you right there. You want to make sure you don't twist it too much to damage that, but you just want to give a slight twist back and forth, work it back and forth to it releases. And you see where it kind of holds there. Well, I hope this video helped out in removing that shift knob. If so, subscribe to my channel and give me a big old like, and I appreciate it. And you have a good day.